future, I deserve to have it. My loyal steps prove this cry. I seek contentment. I see a path. I keep longing for greatness, of catching a sweet hint of great opportunities. I keep visualizing a mountain of gold that represents my desire being solidified. I deserve to have it. My loyal steps prove this cry. I seek contentment. I see a path. I keep longing for greatness, of catching a sweet hint of great opportunities. I keep visualizing a mountain of gold that represents my desire being solidified.